Tanggalin mo yung puti mo sa nguso. Ayan o.
Alin?
Majesty.
Diyan ka pa umikot, walang yaka. Hindi, umikot. Who's that? Nanay? Who's that? Who's that?
Who is Dede? Patingin. Who's this? Batay. Sure ka? Who's
Are
that?
you sure? Who's that? What? Who's that?
Dede. Dede, wow.
Oh, come on, you don't have to give us anything. It's too bad. The guys really like pizza. Thank you. No, really. Oh, wait. Yeah?
Majesty.
Can you tell her to at least return Joanne's tracksuit to me? It was what she was wearing. She was very sick that day. I wanted to burn it for her.
Who's this? Who's this? Who is this? Tatay? No. Who's this? Who is this? Sino nga? Dog?
Who's that?
Who is this?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Hindi pa muna siya ng ano.
Who's that in the picture? Who's in the picture? Why? Wow, wow. Ba't ganito? Ano ba na?
Puto seko.
Oh, saan ka punta? To the moon, road trip, brum brum. Ang cute naman ang buhok niyan. Ang cute naman ang buhok ng bebe.
Some African tribes believe that souls are attached to photographs. Take pictures of the hands or something instead. You have absolutely no respect for the dead. Apologies. I miss the old days.
Aligo. Iro. 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 Saan ka punta?
Mr. Blonde.